Always get your paints a little bit wet before starting. Remember, watercolors need water. The more water you use, the lighter the color will become. Always use enough water to avoid your paints being sticky. Work from light areas to dark areas. If your color is too light, you can always add another layer of paint to make it darker. Colors are more difficult to lighten once they are on the paper. Paint with intentional stroke directions to help show the form of what you are painting. You can add water to an area and dab it with a paper towel to remove some of the color. Areas that you want to be completely white can be left unpainted. To allow colors to blend organically, wet your paper first, then apply colors. The colors will mix naturally. Sprinkling salt onto wet watercolors will absorb the color and the water. Allow the paint to dry and wipe away the salt, leaving a speckled texture. Be sure to check out the accessories on our website. For additional assistance, email us at info@icreateartkit.com.